Sunita Kumura, a well-known name in Orhapara village of Banharpali. Her tailoring work has not only created an identity but also made her self-sufficient. Now she is proud of expressing her economic independence and improved standard of living.
6 मास रे आमे सिखलु ब्लाउज साया बेबी फ्रॉक एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी सिखाला 6 मास रे कंप्लीट करलु तापरे आमे घरे भी सिलाई करू एबे आउ निज माने काको डिपेंडेंट करू ना हो निज पैसा रोजगार करि पाउछो आउ निज खर्च लागि भी रखि पाउछो.
This is not the lone story for OPGC to share. In the last 28 years of presence, it has realized the need of the people and has been the catalyst for the real progress in the locality by partnering the periphery people for an inclusive growth. Besides providing direct and indirect employment to the local youth, OPGC focuses on empowering women through vocational training and education.
गाँ भी जानी करी समस्ते आनी करी दौछन मते जेनटा ले गुटे रोजगार होउची मोर परिवार लगी आउ साड़ी ब्लाउज जेनटा हेला भी सिलाई करी फॉल्स रो 10 टंगा नौछु फिर ब्लाउज रो 80 टंगा.
Besides income generation related training to the community women, OPGC is also helping the community children to achieve their right to education. For this purpose, the company has catered to various requirements of nearly 36 primary, upper primary and high schools of Lakhanpur block in Jharsuguda district. It gives immense pleasure to witness the accommodation facilities in some of the girls' hostels made for tribal students in this block. The 100-bedded girls' hostel at Dologa is one of them.
एठी बालिका मानक पाई के रहबा पई विशेष सुविधा नथिला किंतु ओपीजीसी एठी गोटे हॉस्टल 2 स्टार रो दला परे विशेष किछि सुविधा हिछि.
Similarly, hostel building at Remenda Ashram School, building development at Remenda High School, construction of school boundaries in nearly 50 nearby schools, and distribution of teaching and learning materials by OPGC in various occasions has distinguished these schools from others.
गोटे पटे आश्रम अच्छी अन्य पटे स्कूल अच्छी तेणुक से दूर दूर आसिक आम पाठ पढ़ापी सुविधा होनी तेणुक हॉस्टेल रही आम समस्ते मिलमिशी पाठ पढ़ुछु.
The company is keen on ensuring quality education to the children at Banharpali. Therefore, it has opened 2 schools inside the IP Thermal campus. Both the children of staff and local villagers are studying here without any discrimination.
Recently, DigiClass has been installed in our school. It helps in many ways. For example, it becomes difficult for a teacher to draw diagrams of heart, brains. But in DigiClass, ready-made figures are there when teacher can explain everything easily.
These schools are managed by reputed institutions specialized in offering school-level education in the state and the country. Nearly 463 students are studying here at DAV Public School and 385 students are in Saraswati Vidya Mandir, managed by DAV Group and Siksha Vikas Samiti respectively.
We also have engaged more than about 15 teachers in various schools paid by OPGC, but for the government aided schools which are running in short of teachers. This facility has also been extended up to our mining area, Hemgir, Sundargarh area.
Keeping in view the basic healthcare needs of the people at Banharpali, OPGC has set up one multi-speciality hospital inside the campus. Close to 40,000 patients on an average are treated in this hospital's OPD annually. Residents of nearly 15 Gram Panchayats are totally dependent on this hospital. like the advice of the specialist physicians. All the modern facilities and services like X-ray, ultrasounds, physiotherapy are extended by expert hands without any charge.
आम 3 जन डाक्तर अच्छे मुझे मेडिसिन स्पेशलिस्ट अच्छी आउ 2 जन आमर MBBS डॉक्टर अच्छा लेडी डॉक्टर अच्छा ता बाहर आम 3 जन आमर विजिटिंग डॉक्टर्स को प्रति सप्ताह जड़े पेडियाट्रिशियन जड़े गायनिक स्पेशलिस्ट आउ मास को 2 थर आमर जड़े आई स्पेशलिस्ट आसते मझे मझे आम लेप्रोस्कोपी कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज करथौ।
Recently, a 4-bedded special air-conditioned isolated ward has been opened to deal with the patients with infectious symptoms like dengue, swine flu and even cholera or diarrhea.
आउ जो संक्रमित चिकित्सा प्रकोष्ठ उद्घाटन होती से भी लोक मैंने फैसिलिटी पाई परिबे।
Situated nearly 202 meters above the mean sea level, Banharpali has frequently witnessed acute shortage of drinking water. As the water level goes down in the summer every year, this hilly area becomes dry. To solve this, OPGC started providing safe drinking water through pipe water supply systems. Water storage tanks have been made in 36 villages around ITPS.
खाइबार पान बहुत असुविधा थी पाउथलु वन कटाते आनी नागरिक खाउथलु मु सफा पान पाउथाइनी एजन 2 वर्ष हला न ओपीजीसी खाइबार के सुविधा टांकी दे देछन पान भल कर खाउछु भल पाउछु।
Similarly, 16 traditional ponds in different villages have been deepened to increase their capacity to harvest more rainwater. Bathing ghats are made to cater the needs of the villagers.
जो कैपेसिटी बा तार पानी रखिबा क्षमता जो कम थिला सेगुडा को आमे खोलिकी तार कैपेसिटी आमे बढ़ाइछु। यार मूल उद्देश्य होला जे जतिकी पानी आपणकर रही पार नथला खरा दिने तार ताकू उद्धार कला परे पानी स्तर बढ़ुची एवं सेटा ग्रामर पानी व्यवहार पई यथेष्ट होउची।
Ensuring peripheral development, OPGC is addressing the basic needs of the community in 20-kilometer radius area. Connecting roads are also considered as a major issue in this aspect. Recently, blacktopping of a road from power station to Telanpalli village has been undertaken to provide improved road connectivity to the inhabitants of nearly 7 villages.
सर आम गाँव तो लाइन फैन नाला बहुत असुविधा थी ओपीसी द्वारा लाइन फैन सुविधा मिली पानीय जल भी नाला पानीय जल भी निजे ओपीसी देছে रास्ता घाट सुविधा होनी धीरे धीरे से कर।
It is the duty and responsibility of any corporate house to maintain a clean and green environment all around. By using latest technology and scientific approaches, OPGC has taken up several initiatives on this front. Cooking gas is being generated by the biogas unit situated inside the ITPS campus using kitchen wastes of the colony. Similarly, OPGC's colony maintenance team has adopted the wastewater recycling system. The job of sewage treatment plant or STP in this regard is commendable.
अलिया पानी गुड़ा आसिकी तापर यहाँ आम एठारे ये स्वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट रे ताकू पुणी परिष्कार करी फिल्टराइजेशन करी ताकू आमे पार्क रे आमर सेंट्रल पार्क रे आमे ताकू देउछु।
In addition to the kitchen or domestic wastes, OPGC is also managing the industrial waste scientifically so that the environment remains unaffected. The water used in this system to bring ash to the designated ash pond is recycled and used again in the power plant so as to attain zero discharge of industrial waste and water at ITPS. Similarly, the ash pond is managed in consultation with reputed professionals for ensuring a better environment to the future generation. Fly ash brick manufacturing has been adopted under the Fly Ash Management Program and the ash bricks are used in civil constructions and pavements inside the power stations.
This is the way you can see that we are using quite a lot of ash, and the water which is being used for transportation of ash, most of that water is, in fact almost all of that water is returned back to the plant.
The IP Thermal Power Station at Banharpali is a burning example of OPGC's commitment to its social responsibility and an environment-friendly operation. The noble and sincere initiatives of OPGC has brought smiles to thousands of people in the peripheral villages of IP Thermal Power Station. The great amount of faith the people repose in OPGC's corporate social initiative has made the company, the staff and the volunteers proud and inspired them to provide better services in the coming days.